The most anticipated event of the year is finally here. Human Appeal Australia presents Sounds of Light 2017. An exciting evening of entertainment for families of all ages, featuring international sensation Maher Zain, teen star Harris J, Adele El-Mashidi, featuring guest speaker Suhaib Webb,
You know, a Muslim doesn't have time to do things that take them off Sirat al-Mustaqim.
and comedian Preacher Moss.
Talk to you, I was like, Capeaholic, Mom. She's like, I care for alcoholics too, baby.
Sounds of Light 2017. An inspiring evening of entertainment to help the children of the world.